Say hi! On our way to Bangkok.
Ay, sarap kami hinanda sa immigration. Pero ang bilis lang.
After less than 5 minutes sa immigration, we're off to the next X-ray. And now we're off to our boarding gate.
Ang bilis lang.
Super bilis. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lord.
Ano nga tinanong sa'yo?
Tinanong sa akin. Tinanong lang kung working, private, government. And then, ano bang tinanong? Ikaw yung kasama ko. Sabi ko, yes. Sabi ko, yes. Yun lang.
6:20.
Around 3
Boarding
hours.
8:55.
Kasi itong mga 3 hours early.
Wala pa pala.
30 minutes from the travel tax going to the bag drop for immigration. I'm having those. Anna is having English muffin. I have to work after this.
Transition.
Hi! Welcome to our vlog.
Parang kada sa Ingo yun.
Welcome to our vlog. Finally here at Naiya Terminal 1. So, umalis kami ng bahay 4:30 and I think we got here mga 5:30 at either mga 5 or 5:30. Anna went sa Tiesa para magbayad ng travel tax. So, while I was waiting for Anna, nag-i-travel ako and then we went to the Bangkok. Walang pila yung Bangkok. So, ang bilis namin sa Bangkok.
Tapos tinanong ako, what is the purpose of your travel? Sabi ko, travel.
And then, we went to immigration. As a first-time traveler sa Naiya Terminal 1, nagulat ako. Onti lang pala yung booths ng immigration nila compared to Terminal 3. Mas madami immigration ko sa Terminal 3. But success tayo sa immigration. Ayun, mabilis din yung X-ray. Maganda talaga. Like, talaga, mas gusto kong lumilipad or nagta-travel ng maaga. Kasi walang tao sa airport. Usual ng mga tao, mga 9. Magpagupit kaya ako sa Thailand. Another day, another vlog. So, ang aga-aga namin sa airport, we reached our boarding gate
1 hour.
at 6. Alam ko 6 nandito. Actually, before 6 ata, nandito na tayo sa boarding gate. And our boarding time,
8:55.
8:55.
That was the privilege to be of service to you today.
Okay, we're finally done with immigration. Ana, ang aming unang pagsubok sa Thailand. And now we're on our way to Carousel 11 to get our luggage. Ang layo ng Carousel 11. Carousel 11. Siguro naman okay. Pangalawang pagsubok. Wala pang 10 minutes.
Okay, nakita ko na yung akin yung pagsuki na lang.
Okay.
This is mine. DIY yan ako.
Ana's bag. Ayaw mo ba? Ano? Finally done with Anna's SIM card, our BTS, our one-day BTS pass. Then we are off to the Forex. And then after Forex, we're gonna ride the airport rail link to go to Lumpini. Ana, say hi!
Malapit na ang mga obstacles. Matatapos na. Konti na lang.
Konti na lang. We're finally done exchanging our peso into baht, and now we're on our way to the airport railing. Okay, we are off to Makasan. Live update. We finally have our token for the airport railing. We finally made it to MRT, to the MRT Blue Line. Now we're waiting for the train. Because right now we are at Phetchaburi and we will drop off of Lumpini. Because that's where we are staying. Kaya ba, Ana?
Tuyong-tuyo na.
Gutom na kami. Day 1 starts today. Agenda number 1, Chao Phraya Cruise with Aina. Now we're on our way to Silom, and then after Silom, we're gonna interchange sa Green Line, so we can make it to the free ferry for Ashen. With Anna, the Bangkok girl. Okay, we're finally at S6 station. Hindi ko alam kung paano bigkasin yung station name, but we are actually on our way to Ashatik Riverfront because we're gonna go on a cruise. And now we're on our way to the free ferry, no? Free ferry. Let's get it on.
our budol agad. This one is 60 baht. Okay, we're boarding.
Juice lang pala siya.
Nawala pa kami. Namali kami ng binabaan. I mean,
na lang kami.
yeah.